Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to Mindful Information. Today, we're heating things up in the kitchen with 4 easy chili recipes that you can whip up for dinner tonight. Whether you're a fan of classic comfort food or looking for a twist on tradition, we've got you covered. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. 4 easy chili recipes to make for dinner tonight. There's nothing more comforting than a big bowl of chili. After a long, busy day, getting dinner on the table can feel like the last sprint at the end of a marathon. And it's not always easy to make something that's flavorful, healthy, and a dish your whole family will enjoy. While chili may not seem like the most glamorous meal, you can always count on it to be filling, tasty, and cost-efficient. Plus, it's so easy to customize with what you have stashed in your pantry or freezer. We've put together a list of our favorite easy chili recipes to make whenever you need some dinner inspiration. Turkey pumpkin chili. Adding pumpkin puree to chili is the best way to add a little sweetness with some nutritional benefits, too. This delicious dish draws out the savory side of the pumpkin, while cannellini beans add body to each hearty bowl. If you want a fresh herb to sprinkle on top, try cilantro, which infuses the base of the soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 small yellow onion, chopped, 1 pound 93% lean ground turkey, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 2½ teaspoons smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoons kosher salt, 2 15 ounces cans cannellini beans, drained and rinsed, 1 15 ounces can pumpkin puree, 1½ cups low-sodium chicken broth, hot sauce, sour cream, and sliced scallions, for serving. Directions: heat oil in a medium heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high. Add onion and cook, stirring occasionally. Until tender, about 5 minutes. Stir in turkey, coriander, paprika, and salt. Cook, stirring occasionally, until turkey is browned, about 5 minutes. Stir beans, pumpkin, 1 3/4 cups water, and broth into turkey mixture. Bring to a simmer over medium-high, stirring occasionally. Reduce heat to medium and cook, stirring often, until heated through, about 15 minutes. Top with hot sauce, sour cream, and scallions. Slow cooker vegetarian chili with sweet potatoes. Looking for a one-pot meal that will serve a crowd? This hearty slow cooker vegetarian chili is loaded with sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and a variety of beans that will be sure to pack a protein punch and bring all the warm cozy feelings. And don't forget the toppings. Sour cream, chives, and cheese are all good choices. Serve with corn chips for dipping. Ingredients: 1 medium red onion, chopped, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 4 garlic cloves, chopped, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 2 teaspoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, kosher salt and black pepper, 1 28-ounce can fire roasted diced tomatoes, 1 15.5-ounce can black beans, rinsed, 1 15.5-ounce can kidney beans, rinsed, 1 medium sweet potato, about 8 ounces, peeled and cut into 1/2-inch pieces, sour cream, sliced scallions, sliced radishes, and tortilla chips, for serving. Directions: in a 4 to 6 quart slow cooker, combine the onion, bell pepper, garlic, chili powder, cumin, cocoa, cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add the tomatoes, and their liquid, beans, sweet potato, and 1 cup water. Cover and cook until the sweet potatoes are tender and the chili has thickened, on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. This will shorten total recipe time. Serve the chili with the sour cream, scallions, radishes, and tortilla chips. Chili for a crowd. There's nothing like a big pot of hearty chili to satisfy a hungry crowd. Pair it with all the fixings: cheese, chives, sour cream, and more. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 onions, chopped, 2 bell peppers, cut into 1/2-inch pieces. 4 cloves garlic, chopped. 2 pounds ground beef. 1 6-ounce can tomato paste. 1/4 cup chili powder. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 2 12-ounce bottles lager beer. 2 19-ounce cans kidney beans. 1 28-ounce can diced tomatoes. Kosher salt and black pepper. Cornbread. Toppings, such as sour cream, radishes, scallions, avocados, jalapenos, cilantro, cheddar, and toasted pumpkin seeds. Directions. Heat the oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the onions, bell peppers, and garlic and cook, stirring occasionally, until soft, 6 to 8 minutes. Add the beef and cook, breaking it up with a spoon, until no longer pink, 5 to 7 minutes. Add the tomato paste, chili powder, and cumin and cook, stirring, for 2 minutes. Add the beer, beans, the tomatoes and their juices, 2½ teaspoons salt, and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Until thickened, 20 to 25 minutes. Serve with the cornbread and toppings as desired. Southwestern beef chili with corn. Packed with flavor but not too spicy, this chili gets its southwestern flair from poblano peppers and chili powder. After cooking a base of onion, carrots, and peppers, you'll brown the meat and stir in beans, tomato paste, and more. Serve the chili on its own. With hot sauce at the table, or with tortilla chips or a dollop of sour cream. Another plus. Our southwestern beef chili with corn freezes well. Double or even triple the recipe when you cook. Then freeze the extra servings in separate containers to thaw and enjoy later in the season. On a cold, busy night, your future self will thank you. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2 carrots, chopped. 1 onion, chopped. 1 poblano or bell pepper, chopped. 1/2 pound ground beef. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 2 15-ounce cans black beans, rinsed. 1 tablespoon chili powder. Kosher salt and black pepper. 1/2 cup corn kernels, from 1 ear, or frozen and thawed. 1/2 cup grated cheddar, 2 ounces. 2 scallions, sliced. Directions. Heat the oil in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the carrots, onion, and poblano and cook, stirring, for 3 minutes. Add the beef and cook, breaking it up with a spoon, until no longer pink, 3 to 5 minutes. Add the tomato paste and cook, stirring, until it is slightly darkened, 1 minute. Stir in the beans, chili powder, 3 cups water, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Simmer over medium heat until the vegetables are tender, 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in the corn. Divide the chili among bowls and top with the cheddar and scallions. I hope you enjoyed this chili extravaganza. If you tried any of these recipes, please let us know in the comments below how it turned out and which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty recipes and culinary adventures. Follow us on social media for more behind-the-scenes content and updates. Thanks for joining us today on Mindful Information. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep cooking up those delicious meals.